Use the light button to switch on the backlight. The backlight will remain on for 3 seconds. Use the mode button to switch between different functions of the watch. To adjust the digital time, in normal time mode press the stop key for 2 seconds. The seconds will start flashing. Press the stop key to switch between hours, minutes, and 12-hour or 24-hour mode. Press the mode button to adjust any of the flashing item. After adjusting, press the stop key button to set the time. In normal time mode press the mode key once to enter date mode. Press the stop key for 2 seconds, months will start flashing. Press the stop key to switch between month, date, and week, and press the mode button to adjust any of the flashing item. After adjusting, press the stop key button to set the date. In normal time mode press the mode button 2 times to enter alarm setting mode. Press the stop button for 2 seconds. The hours will start flashing. Press the mode key to adjust the hours. Again press the stop key to switch to minutes, and press the mode button to adjust it. Press the stop button and this time alarm and chime icons will start flashing. Press the mode button to switch on or off the alarm and hourly chime. Depending on the visible icon the respective setting will be on. After adjusting, press the stop key button to set the alarm. In normal time mode press the mode button 3 times to enter dual time mode, which is denoted by the symbol DL. Follow the same steps followed in setting the normal time to set the dual time. In normal time mode press the mode button 4 times to enter stopwatch mode. Press the start or stop key to start the stopwatch. To pause the stopwatch, press the start or stop button again. To reset the stopwatch, long press the start or stop button for 2 seconds.